Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how you can use text orientation in Excel. Friends, by the help of text orientation, you can adjust text in small columns and it will also increase the look of your data headers. Now first you need to select the cells in which you want to change the orientation. Now in the Home tab under Alignment section, you will find the option to change the orientation. Now here you can select the different angles. Now here I will go with rotate text up. Like this I will change the orientation of the upper headers also. So friends, as you can see, I have very easily changed the orientation of the text of the selected cells. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.